Okay, I'm in my kitchen and there's a bird in my house. They always, oh, it's on top of the table. Can you see it? Oh, just hop down. It's gonna go out the door. Hello, little birdie. Oh, it's going around the couch. Oh my God. Oh, it's going out. Die, bird! All they do is come into this house and look for scraps from the dogs. I just wanted to show you. Isn't it pretty? I guess we'll do a little tour while I'm at it. Here's where we eat breakfast. Beautiful flowers. Oh, this is my fish. His name is Buddha. And he's been alive a really long time. Hello, Buddha. And the babies know their beds. Bella, don't look so sad. I guess that's it for now. I'm gonna make breakfast, so maybe I'll record that too.